Now our next formula, now our exercise 5.2 we are starting, exercise 5.2, and based on that exercise the formula is a plus b the whole cube. Now the formula is a plus b the whole cube. Now here a plus b the whole cube equal to, now a plus b the whole cube means this we have to write 3 times. That means a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. I hope everyone has seen what I am writing. Now here a plus b the whole cube is equal to, cube means 3. तो हमको क्या करना है, a plus b कितने टाइम लिखना है, 3 टाइम. I am deriving the formula. कैसे फॉर्मूला डिराइव हुआ है, that I am explaining you. After that, when you got an idea how the formula derived, we will directly start our sum. Now a plus b the whole cube equal to a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. Now next is what? This a plus b you will write 1 time. And next these two, a plus b, you will write how many times? Square time. That means 2 times. That is a plus b, bracket close, a plus b. B. Now next a plus b the whole square. This formula I have explained you yesterday only. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. I hope you people have understood. See, this you will write, this a plus b you will write as it is, a plus b, and next this when you combine this, it becomes the formula of a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now after expanding this, what you have to do, first term को second term से multiply करना है. That means a should be multiplied by a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here ये a को हमको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ये पूरे टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. That is a bracket a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now next this is remaining, this is plus b. This plus b has to multiply once again with this a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here this a should be multiplied by this a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the remaining plus b should be multiplied by same a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now I hope till here you people have understood. If you have understood, write S so that I will continue. If you people have understood, write yes so that I will continue further. I hope everyone is able to see my writing. Okay, thank you. Now I will further continue. Students. Now my next is, I have to multiply this by this. So a into a square becomes a cube. Here एक a है और इधर 2 a है. So 1 और 2 कितने होते हैं, 3. So here will be a cube. Next this a should be multiplied by 2. Now 2 into a. Here sign is plus, so you will write the plus sign. Now here a, here is 2 and here is b. So here will become 2a square b. Why a square? Because 1a and 1a. 1 और 1 कितना होता है, 2. So it becomes 2a square b. Now plus as it is plus, now a into b square. Now a into b square equal to ab square. Here only 1a is there and here 2b is there. So only 1a and b square means b square. Now this we have solved. Now next further plus sign means plus only. Now you will multiply this. Now it becoming ba square. So we will write in alphabetic order a square b. Yesterday only I told that you have to write in an alphabetical order where a is coming first. So you will write a square b. Now once again plus means plus only. Now this b should multiply by the second term. So it becomes 2ab square. Here bb is 2. So we will write b square. And 1a is there, so we will write only 1a. And the last term is plus b cube, because here 1b and here 2b, so it becomes b cube. Now the last point, there are only how many steps? 4 steps. The first step have done, second step we have done, third step we have done. Now the last term in this first and last you will write as is. That means a cube and plus b cube. Term and last term you will write as it is, and you will split the middle term. You see the like term. Now here is one like term, here is one like term. So ये दोनों को हमको एक साथ combine करना है. Now here is 2 and here is 1. So 2 and 1, because in front of A nothing number is there, we will assume as 1. Here 2, here 1. 2 plus 1 will become 3, and a square and a square. Here we will take common, because in alphabet in addition and subtraction we have to take common, but when multiply and division are there, that 2 will become 4. But here addition is there, so a square and a square will become 1, and a b or a b become only 1b. Here positive sign, so you will put here plus sign. I hope this you have understood. So this like term and this like term should be added and written over in the middle. Now the last here what you will write, this like term and this like term. AB square. Common hai, like hai, so you will write AB square. Here is 2 and here is 1, so it will become 3. And here will be plus sign. Here sign plus sign. So the formula derived, कौन सा formula derive हुआ? A plus B. Now A plus B the whole square का formula है A plus B the whole cube equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. I hope you people have understood. ये कैसे derive हुआ? These are all the steps. ये steps होने के बाद ये finally this formula is derived from this one. That is A plus B the whole cube. Learn it in your mind. A plus B cube equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Learn it in your mind so that you will be getting answers by doing our problem set. Now A plus B the whole cube, once again read in your mind. A plus B the whole cube equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Now when you will solve the sum, you will write this formula only. ये जो formula है, ये जो मैंने derive किया है हमने, this formula only you are going to write by solving the sum. How it derive? These are all the steps. ये कैसे derive हुआ? ये सारे steps थे. But main thing what you have to read, what you have to learn this formula A plus B the whole cube equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. I hope you people have understood this formula, how it is derived. Right? Yes, if you people have understood, so that I will continue with my next thing. If you people have understood, right? Yes, so we will proceed with our 5.2 exercise. Okay, everyone has understood. Thank you so much for your confirmation. So we will proceed with our 5.2 exercise. Now I am sharing my screen. Wait, students. Now student, I am sharing my screen. From that we will learn with our next exercise. See students, I have started sharing my screen. Now we will move to our next problem set. Okay. Now our next problem set is 5.2, and that first question is k plus 4 the whole cube. Just listen in, afterwards start writing. Don't write now. Afterwards, as I explain you, I will give you the time and then you will start writing. Okay students? Wait a minute. Okay. Now our first question is k plus 4 the whole cube. Now here k plus 4 the whole cube means the formula which we have learned now only, that is a plus b the whole cube. Now the answer was a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now see here students, before starting the sums, I have yesterday only told you, you have to write first formula. Formula लिखने के बाद ही you have to write the steps. So here, first you will write the formula, that is a plus b the whole cube. All the formula you will write. Next you will assume k as a and 4 as b. Now see student, I will explain you. Now here is your formula. A plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now next is what you have to start? You have to start solving it. Now here k cube means a cube. A cube मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पे हमारा k. So here will be k cube. See this one, this line. K cube plus 3a square b मतलब होता है plus 3 into a square means k square into 4. So here will be 3 into k square into 4 plus 3 into ab square. 3 into ab square means 3 into k into 4 square. 3 into k into 4 square plus b cube. b cube मतलब हमारा यहाँ क्या है? 4. So it is 4 cube. B cube means it is 4 cube. So here when we solve this middle first step, we are getting as k cube means k cube only. Then we will solve this thing. This is 3 into k square into 4. That means 4 3s are. 4 3s are कितना होता है? 4 3s are 12. So 12 k square. 12 k square plus. Now first, then you will solve this. पहला हमको square solve करना है. 4 का square. What is the square of 4? 4 square is 6. 4 square is 16. 4 fours are 16. Then 16 threes are is 48. So here it is 48 cube plus then 4 का cube. 4 का cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 fours are, right in your this one chat box. 4 fours are 16, then 16 fours are is 64. So you will get this answer by writing the cube of 4. So cube of 4 is 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. So finally you will get the answer of k cube plus 12k square plus 48k plus 64. I hope you people have understood. The first term, that was k plus 4 the whole cube. K plus 4 the whole cube is equal to, we will write first the word that did that values, and after putting the value we will get a final answer of that term, that is k cube plus 12k square plus 48k plus 64. This is the final answer. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. Write down in your notebook if you're having, or write in your workbook. Giving you 1 minute to complete this first sum, so that we can move to our next one. I hope everyone is ready with their notebook, workbook, pen. Yesterday only I have told you, be ready with your all material. Now we will move to our next thing. Now our next question. Okay. See our next question, that is 7x plus 8y cube. Same, before starting the sum, we have to write the formula. That formula is a plus b the whole cube. Now a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now this is the formula which doesn't change. So we will write first the formula. Now we will assume 7x as a and 8y as b. That is a plus b the whole cube. Now we will start that thing. Here first you will write the values by putting it by using the formula. That is 7x cube. First is a cube, that means 7x cube plus 3a square b, that means 3 into a क्या है हमारा 7x का square, then into b क्या है हमारा 8y. So here will be 3 into 7x square 8y bracket close, then plus 3ab square, that means 3 into a क्या है हमारा 7x, 3 into 7x into b square. B square means it is 8y square. So here we will write 8y square. Whenever there is a square sign, you have to put bracket. So it will not jumbled up. You will see it properly. That means we have to find the square of that number. Plus b square, b cube, sorry, plus b cube means 8y cube निकालना है. Then we will solve it. Now here 7x cube. 7x cube means 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 is 49. 49 into 7 is 343. 7 into 7 into 7 means 3 times 7 करना है. 7 7 is 49. 49 into 3 is 349 and x cube will remain as it is x cube. Now next we will simplify this one. This we will simplify. देखो पहला हमको स्क्वायर निकालना है. 7 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है 49. So we will write as it is other thing, only we will split the 7 square. 7 square is 49, so it becomes 3 into 49x square into 8y. I hope you people have understood. 3 into 7x square. 7x square का स्क्वायर क्या होता है 7 square is 49. So here we will write 49x square, then as it is into 8y, then plus 3 into 7x into. Now first we will split the square of 8. 8 का square क्या होता है 64. The square of 8 is 64y square plus the last term is 8y cube. Now 8y cube means 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64. 64 into 8 becomes 512y cube. Now 512y cube. Now my next thing is what? We have to write first and last term same. I told you in the formula when I have explained you, this first term and last term you will write as it is. It will not going to be changed. Now what we will do? Now we will solve this thing. Now when you multiply 3 into 49 into 8, if you are doing the sum, just write down in your working column, multiply it and see your answer and my answer is matching or not. If you are doing, so just write in the working column 3 into 49 into 8. Here we are getting the answer as 1176. 1176. I hope everyone is doing the working things over side of your book. So if it is matched, very good for you. See, after multiplying 3 into 49 into 8, we are getting answer as 1176 x square y. X square y will remain as it is. Now the next is 3 into 7 into 64. Now 3 into 7 into 64, you multiply, you will get answer as 1344. You will get answer of 1344 xy square. So your final answer is what? Your final answer is 343 x cube plus 1176 x square y plus 1344 xy square plus 512 y cube. I hope you people have understood the second sums also. So now I will tell you one question. I will show you one question. You will solve in your book, and the answers what you are getting, you will just write in the chat box after solving it. I am closing my screen and I will tell you the question by writing in the blackboard, so you will solve it. Wait a minute, huh? Now I'm sharing my whiteboard and I'm writing the question. Okay, what happened? You can write in the chat box whatever things, whatever you having problem, you can write in the chat box, so I will reply it. Okay, can I give the question? Write in a chat box, yes or no. The question which I am giving you, you have to solve it. Yes, okay, okay. Thank you for your confirmation. So I will write a question. You people, I will giving you one, at least 2 minutes for solving the question. Now my next question is 7 plus m whole cube. Now, 7 plus m the whole cube, and final answer I want from your side in a chat box. Solve it and final answer show me in your chat box. The question is 7 plus m the whole cube. Yes, Rajesh, very good. Latika, Glory, very good. Ishi Chaudhary, yes. Ashish Kurup, your sign is missing. Redo. Sangeeta, I have given which question and what answers you are showing me. Samruddhi, right. Ankur, Ganesh, right. Others also solve and show me the answers. Ashish, write some. Okay, Kavita. I have given you the third question, huh, Kavita? Do that sum. Yes, Nandini, right. Samira Sheikh, right. Jobia, right answer you have also done. Bhakti, Dhanvanti, right. Okay, Bhakti and Q, yeah. Yes, also done the right. No, yes, the second term is wrong. Yes, 42 you are getting. Just do it once again. Shravan, right. Priya, right. Shiram, right. Yes, Kavita, you have done now. Write the right sum. Okay, Sunita Gaikar, you have completed. Thank you for your confirmation. Yes, Anand also done right sum. Samruddhi, what happened, beta? Why you are raising your hand? Write in a chat box whatever is happening. Write in your chat box. Now Ashwin has done the right sum. Right. Zoya Khan also right. Okay, I hope everyone has understood the 5.2 exercise formula. Okay, Sabrish also right. I'm giving you next term, solve it. I'm giving you the next term. Now my next question, just see here. I'm writing the question and I will explain one step and after that you will do it properly. Now my next question is 52 whole cube. Now see students, this is 52 whole cube. Now 52 means what you will do? You will add, you will make this as 50 plus 2 the whole cube. What you will do? 52 whole cube means you will do it as 50 plus 2. 50 plus 2 will become 52. So it becomes 50 plus 2 the whole cube and you will start doing with the same formula, that is a plus b the whole cube. Yes, Aryan. 50 plus 2 becomes 52. So you have to write 50 plus 2 the whole cube and then you will start solving this sum. Okay. Now I'm giving you 1 minute. After 1 minute, I will check your answer. So solve it properly by using the formula a plus b the whole cube. Solve it properly. After 1 minute, I will check. Don't write now answer. After 1 minute, I will check your answer. Now don't write. Okay. Now the final answer is 140,608. Everyone has done the right sum. So I hope everyone understood the exercise, that is 5.2. That answer is 1,40,608. Yeah, very good everyone. Everyone has done the right answers. Okay. Now I hope everyone has understood. So we will move to our next exercise. Our next exercise is 5.3. See students, 5.3 is same one another as 5.2 because their only sign change. Our previous formula was a plus b the whole cube. Now our next formula is a minus b the whole cube. Now I will show you. See students. Now our next exercise, for solving our next exercise, the formula derivation I will not explain you, already same thing, only the sign change. So I will show you the formula. So our formula is a minus b, a minus b the whole cube. देखो this a plus b the whole cube हमारा previous था, previous exercise का formula था. Now for 5.3 our new formula is a minus b the whole cube. Minus b the whole cube means this is one another same, only the sign change. Now see here what is the formula, that is a cube जो हम लोग पहला लिखते थे, but instead of plus you will write minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. I hope you people have understood. Only the sign change, formula नहीं change हुआ है. See first और last में you have to put a minus sign, and all other are same. So here once again I am repeating the formula. So once again I am repeating the formula. A minus B the whole cube equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Here and doesn't any changes. Only the changes is the sign. Only the changes is sign. All the steps are also same, but the sign change. खाली क्या change होगा? हमारा sign change होगा. I will explain one sum. After that, you people have to do it in your book and you will write the answers in the chat box. Is it clear for you? Just write yes or no if you are clear about that thing. This question, this 5.3 question, I will explain only one sum because it is one another same only. Only the sign change. So I will explain you one sum and other you people are going to do in your book and we will show me to a chat box. Very good. I hope everyone is giving me the answer yes. So I will explain you first sum by sharing my screen. Okay. Wait a minute. I will share my screen for the first sum and then you will do it. Okay. I am sharing my screen. For first sum, we are going to do it. Now we are going to start with 5.3, my first sum. Here, I hope everyone is able to see that thing. Okay. Here, the first question is 2m minus 5 whole cube. The first question is 2m minus 5 cube. Now here you will write first formula. Formula कौन सा होगा? Minus का. That is a minus b the whole cube. Now a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Formula change नहीं हुआ है, only the sign change. Now after doing that thing, you have to put the value. You will assume a as 2m and b as 5. What you will assume? A क्या होगा हमारा 2m और 5 क्या होगा हमारा b. So you will put the number over here. That is a cube. A cube मतलब 2m cube. 2m cube minus 3 into a square क्या है हमारा 2m square into 5. So it becomes 3 into 2m square into 5 plus 3 into ab square. ab square क्या है हमारा 3 into 2m into 5 square minus 5 cube. Here it doesn't change anything, only the sign change. First sign change हुआ है और last sign change हुआ है and the method is one another same only. So I will repeat once again the first step, that is 2m cube minus 3 into bracket 2m square into 5 plus, now 3ab square means 3 into 2m into 5 square minus 5 cube. Now I told you that whenever the square and cube is there, you have to put a bracket. So it will be not confusing you. Now next step is what? This you will derive it. Now 2m cube matlab 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2 is 4 2 is 8. So our first answer you are getting as 8m cube minus. Now here we'll be writing first 2 ka square. 2 ka square is what? 4. So 2 square will become 4m square and this 4m square and here 5 into 3. 3 5 is 15. So here will become 15 into 4m square. Now plus as it is plus. Now 5 square will become 25 and 3 2 will become 6. So here is 6m into 25 minus 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So you are getting this answer as m cube minus 15. 15 कैसा आया? 3 into 5. 3 5 are 15 and 2 square is 4. 15 into 4m square plus 3 2 is 6. M into 5 square is 25 minus 125. I told you first and last term you will write, sorry, first and last term you will write as it is. So 8m cube minus 120 as it is. Now you will solve these two first. 15 into 4. 15 4 is 60 and m square will become as it is m square. So 15 into 4m square. So it becomes 60m square. Plus ka plus, now 25 into 6. 25 6 is 150. 25 6 is 150. So it becomes 150m minus 125. So the final answer is, after doing the formula, putting its values, you are getting the answer as 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. See, nothing steps change. The steps are same, only the sign change of first and the last term, and all the method are same. I hope everyone has understood. Everyone has understood that thing. Okay. Now, I am giving you 1 minute for doing this sum. After that, question from your side, answer. My side question and your side answer. So, giving you 2 minutes for completing this first sum. After that, I will give you the second question and you people are going to solve it. Do it fast so that next sum, next question I am going to give you for solving it. I hope everyone has completed. So I am stopping my sharing and I will give you next question in my whiteboard, and you are going to write it down. Okay, student, are you ready? Just write in your chat box yes. If you are ready for the next question, write down yes. Okay, everyone is ready for the next question. So I'm giving you the next question. Next question is 4 minus 3 the whole cube. My next question is 4 minus 3 the whole cube. चलो solve करो. 4 minus 3 the whole cube. Solve this by using the formula of a minus b the whole cube and write answers in the chat box. Yes, Shubham Panda has done already. मैंने तो अभी क्वेश्चन दिया है. After 1 minute, everyone write the answer. Don't write now answer. After 1 minute, 1 minute तो लगेगा ही solve करने के लिए. So after 1 minute, everyone write answer. Don't write now, huh? After that, I will check it. As 1 minute complete, I will tell you that show me the answer. Then only you will show the answer. Okay, Daksha, I will tell you after 1 minute, is it right or wrong, huh, beta? Don't chat privately. Okay, do it. Last 30 seconds. After that 30 seconds, I will tell you to show your answer. Okay, now show me the answer. Write down. Yes, yes, everyone is giving the right answer. Yes, everyone is giving the right answer. Yes, right. Okay. What happened, Ashish Moite? Why right is given over there? Yeah, okay. Everyone has given the right answer. The right answer is 64 minus 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Very good. Everyone has given the right answer. Okay, so my next question, huh? Chalo, we will move to our next question. Wait, I will just erase it and then you will write the third question and you will solve it, and after 1 minute, listen student, after 1 minute only, after 1 minute only you will show me. Okay, my next question is 7x minus 9y whole cube. 7x minus 9y whole cube. 7x minus 9y whole cube. Solve it and after 1 minute. Do the sums and afterward show me the answers. Yes, Nirmiti. Right. Right है बेटा. That is right. Yes. हाँ. Ganesh also done right sum. What happened, Nandini? My voice is audible na beta. Zoya Khan also done the right sum. Ashish Moite wrong. Soumya, right. Soumya Yadav, right. You have done the right sum. Nandini, show me once again so that I will give you confirmation whether it is right or wrong. Riddhi, Glory, you have done the right sum. What happened, Ruchi Yadav? Write in your chat box what happened. Samira, right. Latika, right answer. Shubham, right. Practice thing, just show me once again so I will confirm you is it right or wrong. See, you are not going to send answers to everyone. You are going to send answers to me. Your answers are coming to me only. So don't get confused regarding chat box. Write and send to me. I am going to check your answers. Okay. I hope everyone has done with that sum. Okay, okay. See, our answers will be shown. Answers will be seen to me. If others will see, they will copy and they will write the answer that same you are writing. So it's better to send me only. Okay. Okay. Now next question, huh? Next question is just write down. Now I hope you people have understood. Now the last question of this practice set, 58. Now my last question is 50. Beta. 58 whole cube. Now I have explained you 58 means now ये minus sum है. So you will write 60 minus 2 the whole cube. See, इसका क्या आना चाहिए? 58 whole cube means it is 60 minus 2. 60 minus 2 will become 58. So instead of 58 whole cube, you will write 60 minus 2 the whole cube and you will start applying that same formula a minus b the whole cube. Solve it and give me a answer. Proper answer, huh? By minus, adding, subtracting. Do it properly. It will take time, so do it calmly and a right answer from your side. After this, we have completed our 5.3 also, and in our next lecture, we will continue with our 5.4. Only question number 3 is pending for 5.3. I know that question number 2 is pending, so we will do that in our next lecture. Mitali, just write it once again. Zoya Khan, your answer is right. Latika, right. Nandini, wrong. Beta, redo once again. Do it once again, Nandini. Anup, right. Ganesh, Sanchit, right. Bhakti, right. Nirmiti, once again show me. Ashish Moite, what happened to you, beta? You are writing the wrong answer. Do it properly. Don't write the wrong answer. Do it 1-2 time and then give the answer. Nandini, right hai. Glory. Yes. Asta Das, right. Nirmiti, right. Daksha, right. Prachi Pal, right.